Keyword research is a vital step to starting a successful SEO journey. It is the process of finding the keywords you want to rank for.
Performing keyword research isn't as difficult as it sounds, and there are a variety of helpful tools out there to assist you, including SEMrush or our personal favourite, Raw's DIY SEO platform.
Let's look at an example. Simply type in a word or topic that you are covering in your blog, and your selected tool will bring up as many related keywords as possible. Take a look at the search volume and keyword difficulty.
Search volume means the number of times that term is searched for per month. Keyword difficulty, on the other hand, means how difficult it will be to rank for this term on Google.
Ideally, you want to choose a keyword with low difficulty and a bit of search volume around it. This is so your content has a chance of ranking. There are a few different types of keywords, including the short tail, long tail, short term, long term, product defining, customer defining, geo-targeting, and intent targeting, but we'll go over them a little later.
Use the keyword that you choose throughout your content and include it in your title, but don't go overboard as you want to avoid keyword stuffing. Google doesn't like that. So why is keyword research important?
Well, keyword research is vital as it provides you with the right terms to target to rank higher on search engines, which in turn helps your website attract more visitors and potential leads. You can gain a significant amount of knowledge about your target audience's search behaviours.
Having extensive knowledge about your audience's search behaviours is beneficial because it can inform the content you create in your wider marketing strategy. But knowing what your audience is already searching for, you can create content that they're already on the hunt for.
We know why keyword research is so important. Let's take a look at the different types of keywords, starting with short and long tail. The difference between short and long tail keywords is, you guessed it, the length. A short tail keyword is a general search term that typically contains 1 to 3 words and covers a broad topic. Long tail keywords are longer and more specific keyword phrases that visitors are more likely to use when they're ready to buy something.
Short-term keywords should be made of long tail phrases that have lower competition and lower traffic, whereas long-term keywords should be made of short tail and single word phrases that have higher competition and higher traffic. Let's move on to product defining and customer defining keywords.
Product defining keywords are keywords that describe your products best. These are the keywords an average searcher will type in the text area of Google if they are looking for a specific product, service, or idea that they want to acquire or get information about.
Whereas customer defining keywords are those search terms used by customers who are looking for more specific items. They include things like women's winter jacket. And finally, geo-targeting and intent targeting. Geo-targeting is the keywords that focus on location. They can lead the searchers to a local set of results. Intent targeting keywords are the terms customers use which indicate the likelihood of a specific action towards the business. For example, a transaction.